Hello, welcome back to my channel Qubit Educational Services. In this video we will be solving the 36th question or question number 6 from ISER Aptitude Test mock paper 1. This is based on the counting principles. Okay, in how many ways can 4 distinguishable pieces be placed on an 8 by 8 chessboard so that no two pieces are in the same row or column? Okay, and as you can see, a typical counting principle problem, you have factorials everywhere. All right, now to solve this question, okay, what we imagine is we imagine an 8 by 8 chessboard. Okay, and we are free to place the first piece anywhere we want. Okay, so for the demonstration purpose, let us place it here, okay, in the A11 position. Okay, now you will clearly see that this position is going to block 15 other positions. Why 15 other positions? Because in the column in which that particular piece is being placed, there are 8 of them. Okay, and out of those 8, one is the position in which the piece itself is sitting. Okay, and same applies to the row, right? So there are 7 plus 7 14 and plus that position, so that makes it 15. So the positions available for the first piece are 64. Okay, or the number of positions is 64, which means if we are now going to place the second piece, okay, how many positions will we now have? Okay, because we don't want any two pieces to be in the same row or column, we need to subtract 15 from 64. Okay, so that will give us 49. Okay, and these are actually squares of two consecutive natural numbers. Okay, so let's now go to that particular position. Now these are only for demonstration purpose. Okay, you can put it anywhere. Okay, all right, so now this is how many blocks or how many I would say blocks is this particular piece going to block. Okay, now there is no need to consider this position as well as this position again, because it has already been considered for the first or by the first piece. Okay, so there will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 12 and then 13. Okay, so there are 13 positions which will automatically be blocked due to our second piece. Okay, so when you go to the third one, okay, when you go to the third one, the number of positions that will be available is 49 minus 13 or 36, and if you continue to do it for one more piece, then that will obviously be 25. Okay, so the preceding perfect square or the previous perfect square. Okay, and you can now apply the multiplication principle, which will tell you the total number of positions, well, I would say the total number of ways in which 4 distinguishable pieces can be placed on an 8 by 8 chessboard. Okay, that is going to give the product of 64, 49, 36 and 25. Okay, so because it is squares, okay, the option is going to be D, but let me just explain that to you. So it is 64 into 49 into 36 into 25, which can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 squared. Okay, now what is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5? This is basically 8p4, right? So it is 8 factorial upon 8 minus 4 factorial, but you have to square both of them, so it is option D. Don't waste your time in actually finding the value, okay, the actual number of ways, okay, because the options just demand you to pick the one in the factorial form, so it is option D. All right, a pretty simple question. And yeah, so you can try any other position as well. For example, if you put the first piece here, okay, A3 6, okay, so then this particular position will get blocked, or this entire row and this entire column. Now although this will actually split the chessboard into 4 rectangles, the number of positions available for the second piece will still be 49. Okay, you can count it, and hence it really doesn't matter where you place your first, the number of ways will always be the same, that is square of 8p4. Oh yeah, whatever that value is. Okay, if you want, I can tell you the value. 8p4 is 1680, so that is 1680 squared. Okay, square. Yeah, that is a very large number. Okay, so the number is 2822 400. Okay, 28,224, yeah, so 28,22,400. Okay, a pretty huge number. Yeah, so this was question 36. Thank you for watching. We'll go to 37th in the next video.